All right, guys, 2022 Dodge Challenger V6. Got the nice red inlay in it. Look at that. They drove from Illinois. They came vacationing in the Smokies, and on their way back, they said, we gotta hit exhaust addicts up. So we really appreciate them bringing it by. What we got done on it for them, factory converter there. It's only got 3,000 miles on it. Factory X pipe, it's all 2.5-inch pipe. Then what we put on it was some vibrants. Part number 1791. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there, they're the long ones. They are 14-inch overall. There they are right there. Then 2 1/4 out the back. And we finished it off with 2.5-inch. He wanted a little bit deeper. So we did 2.5 out the back on each side. The bigger the pipe you go with, the deeper the tone. And then he also brought his own tips. Here's the part number on them right there. They're 2U power double wall slant edge right there. Right there and right there. Came out really clean, really nice. This was what was on it before. There's the rears, there's the mids, and this one comes with a built-in tips. So you have to take this plastic off, and there's the old tips. So all that had to come off to make it into a quad tip setup, which I think looks better than these USB charger tips. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? That's awesome. Yes, sir. There's no rest, man. This is clean. Again? There's sound decibels. Again? 111. Wow. Again? It peaks at a 111. That's pretty loud. Go ahead and back it up. Come on, sounding nice. With vibrant exhaust. Yeah. You see how the more they're getting louder, like the more tone is getting down? The more they're breaking in once it warm up. And once the computer notices that more and more, it'll even work better. 2.5 out the back and vibrants in the mids. Each bodies. That's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger V6 with vibrant mids, rear deletes, quad tips. We appreciate them coming down from Illinois, land of Lincoln.